Have you ever wondered how to make someone truly regret losing you? The answer isn't found in games, manipulation, or desperate attempts to prove your worth. Number. The real power lies in becoming someone they can't ignore. Someone who rises above, thrives, and moves forward with unshakable confidence. Here's how to do it. The Stoic way. 1. Disappear with purpose. Silence is a statement. No texts, no calls, no watching their stories, no passive hints. Just a complete withdrawal of your presence. This isn't about pettiness. It's about reclaiming your energy. When you vanish without explanation, they start to wonder, to question, to feel the weight of your absence. And in that space, regret begins to grow. 2. Redirect your focus to self-mastery. Instead of looking back, look within. Invest in yourself, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Hit the gym, learn a new skill, build something of value. Every step forward is proof that your happiness was never dependent on them. When they see you thriving, not as an act of revenge, but as a commitment to your own greatness, it sends a powerful message. You were always whole on your own. 3. Never chase, never explain. One of the most powerful things you can do is to walk away without a single explanation. No long texts, no desperate attempts to clarify, no lingering conversations. The moment you explain, you give them power. The moment you chase, you place them above you. Instead, let your silence speak volumes. Let your actions prove that you respect yourself enough to move forward without seeking closure from them. 4. Embrace the power of mystery. The greatest mistake people make after a separation is trying to prove their worth. But true value isn't proven, it's realized. Stay silent, stay focused. Let them wonder what you're thinking, what you're doing, what's changed. When your absence feels heavier than your presence, that's when regret sets in. Not because you tried to make them miss you, but because they now see what they lost. Set boundaries and never lower them. A person who knows their worth never begs, never settles, never entertains anything less than they deserve. Establish boundaries, not to punish them, but to honor yourself. When they realize they no longer have access to you the way they once did, it hits differently. Respect is not demanded, it's commanded by the way you carry yourself. And nothing is more attractive, more unforgettable, than a person who refuses to compromise their value. So, there you have it. The ultimate way to make them regret losing you isn't about revenge. It's about self-respect. It's about becoming so strong, so grounded, and so focused on your own path that their opinion no longer defines your worth. They may not have seen your value before, but trust me, they will.